Hey guys, it's Amar, and I have launched the vlog, and the first vlog is up. And am I nervous? I don't know. I'm just flowing with the flow of life. No, I don't think I'm very nervous at this point with this vlog. The vlog is only sharing my life story with the world, and I think the reason I'm doing it because it may help me have some meaningful conversations with people who watch this vlog and hopefully share my life. And maybe if I'm sharing my vulnerabilities, my struggles, my joys, my pains, maybe they would want to share some of theirs with me as well. You know, I think that's life, sharing. Because दर्द शेयर करो तो कम हो जाता है, खुशी शेयर करो तो बढ़ जाती है. So I got ready for the gym, and then suddenly I had this huge craving to have chai. Now anything that you do in gym clothes besides being in the gym makes you look really funny. So I look hilarious. I look ridiculous right now, alright? So I'm going to the gym. The thing is, nobody wants to go to the gym. It's really hard. But you go to the gym because it's the right thing to do. So go to the gym. Heading for the show now. The show's at 9:30. I'm going there early because I want to have dinner before the show starts. You're gonna enjoy the lift music. Hey guys, this is day review. I just had a spot about 7 minutes which I did at Comedy Theatre Gurgaon, and because one of the shows got cancelled today, so that's sad, but that's okay. It happens sometimes. I mean, it's pointless getting stressed about some stuff which is not in your control. So it got weirdly cancelled, but yeah, but that's okay. So I did one spot, and I did hit the gym today. Only did dance. Didn't have much time to do the gym because I was working on stuff. I posted my first vlog, by the way. I won't be posting links at many places, but the vlog is there. I'm just documenting my life now. So it will be posted on the channel where I posted the vlog, and I'll post it every day, sometime in the afternoon, because that's the time I have to edit and post it. Right. So yeah. So the day was productive largely, and I posted a couple of other videos here and there. I'll be posting some more reels of my comedy videos on Insta and shorts on YouTube. So mostly productive day. I'm gonna sit and have some chai right now before I go to. I'm trying to go to bed about 12:30 because otherwise it gets late and the next day goes fucked up. So yeah, thanks for watching. That was my day. Bye. Guys, I generally don't record videos after I post the day review, but I'm feeling a little poignant right now. I just want to say that one day this will all be over, no matter how old you are, no matter how young you are. You don't know how much time you've got. So take some time to be silly every day. Be silly, be weird. Do the things that make you happy. Talk to your parents if they are alive. No matter how stupid or dumb or naive they may sound to you. If you're someone to make love to that person. Because love may not last. So you should make love while there is love. Do the things that you find meaningful. Try to make every meaning. Try to make every minute, every hour of the day count. Because one day it'll all be over. Dance. I saw this reel the other day. This girl dancing with the sun setting in the background and the caption said, even if the world comes to an end, at least we danced. Yeah. So if the world comes to an end, at least you danced. You know, at least we made love while there was someone to make love to. At least we took as much care of our parents as we could. At least we did the things we wanted to do, even if we didn't succeed at them. At least we tried to live. Bye.